How to extract emails from Gmail account. Visit our website www.lantexsoft.com. Search product Gmail email extractor. Click on the product name to visit its product page. Click the free trial button to download the software. Extract the downloaded file and install the software on your PC. To create an account, click New User Sign Up here. Enter your email and click the Send OTP button. Fill in your details and click the Create Account button. Enter your login details and click the Login button. Enter your Gmail account details and click the Login button. Click the Start Email Extractor button to begin extracting emails. Save the extracted emails by clicking the Save Email List button. For more details, visit our website www.lantexsoft.com.